Neil Carlson now here over in Grand Forks County. I'm in Merrifield, just about 3 miles south of Grand Forks city limits at Columbia Grain, where they've got a lot of damage. We've got grain bin blown over here. There's an old truck over here blown over. Again, this is Columbia Grain in Merrifield, just south of Grand Forks. Grain bins blown over. The airport registered top wind speed of 76 miles per hour when that storm came through here after 4 this morning. But it sure looks like it could have had a lot higher winds here. It's another grain bin. Not sure how many we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 different grain bins blown over. And I think we've also just talked to one of the Columbia Grain employees here, a big conveyor blown over. Again, while the airport registered 76 mile an hour wind gusts, sure looks like it was a lot higher here. There we go. Pull in over here. We've got a big grain conveyor blown over. Take a look at it right there. Again, lots of damage here in Merrifield, just south of Grand Forks, Columbia Grain Company. Covering the Northern Valley, I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNews.tv.